70% of website visitors leave without a trace. Are you losing leads from your website? Did you know that up to 70% of your website visitors leave without taking any action? That's potential revenue slipping right through your fingers. But what if I told you there's a way to turn those anonymous visitors into paying customers without needing opt-ins or forms? Introducing the ultimate lead generation tool designed to transform your website traffic into actionable leads. Curious? Stick around, and I'll show you how you can unlock the hidden value in your traffic. And the best part? You can get started for free today by clicking the link in the description box below. You've invested in your website, spent time and money driving traffic to it, but most of those visitors stay invisible. You don't know who they are, where they came from, or how to reach them. Traditional methods, like opt-in forms, require visitors to take action. Most won't. It's frustrating, right? That's where this revolutionary tool steps in. This cutting-edge system identifies your website visitors in real time, providing you with their names, email addresses, LinkedIn profiles, and more. No opt-in required. Imagine knowing exactly who's on your site and being able to follow up with them immediately. That's powerful. The setup? It's simple. No coding, no hassle. Start identifying leads from your traffic in minutes. Don't believe me? Click the link in the description box and try it for free right now. Here's what makes this tool a game changer. Real-time identification. Know who's on your site as it happens. Detailed visitor profiles, complete with contact information and behavior insights. No opt-ins required. Break free from outdated lead generation methods. Higher ROI. Turn traffic you already have into paying customers. Businesses using this tool have reported up to a 30% increase in leads captured from their website traffic. That's a massive boost without spending more on ads or marketing. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let another visitor slip away. Click the link in the description box right now to get started for free. You'll be amazed at what this tool can do for your business. Your website traffic is one of your most valuable assets. Stop wasting it and start turning visitors into paying customers today. Click the link in the description box and start your free trial now. This is your chance to take control of your leads and grow your business like never before. Don't wait. Act now.